Number 5, delivery denied. Number 4, the flinch. Number 3, the evidence.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
Number 2, drama queen.
Caught me one of these bad boys. I bottle fed him, so like he's not really scared of anything, but I'm gonna see if this makes him faint. You're a scam. I'm out of breath. I wasn't breathing the whole time.
Number 1, the bouncer.